Here's what you'll find inside the book Seed to Plate, written by me, Laura Lawrence, a homesteader above the 45th parallel. First, I'm just going to kind of give you some background on who I am and how to use the book and access for special resources. And then we'll start diving into gardening itself, all like the best seed choices, planning out your garden, just doing seed spacing and when to plant, and the famous vertical growing as well. And then you also learn how to take care of your garden by learning how to make free weed tea, pest control as well, using DE and other natural resources to take care of those little pesky guys. And then we will be talking about harvest guides. And then my favorite staple crops that are easy to grow, like garlic and dry beans, and my famous purple potted pole beans, onions, tomatoes, garlic, squash, all the wonderful staple crops. And then I'll also show you how to seed save as well on some of those items. And then the next part of the cookbook will be about the recipes, just bringing in those fabulous resources from the garden that you have grown and creating them into hearty, homemade, delicious meals. It's for dinner, for breakfast, everything that you just brought in from the garden that you can go ahead and utilize right away or during the winter months as well. And then there's fabulous soups, which are just so nourishing, especially using a bone broth, which I also teach you how to cook the whole chicken and then make bone broth as well afterwards. And then you've got your wonderful sides to go along, like French fries and refried beans and cornbread and different casseroles. And then you got to have sauce and spice mix as well, like barbecue sauce and homemade ranch dressing and dry rub for your meat. And then, of course, got to have some bread in there as well. So we're talking tortillas and garlic breadsticks and pizza dough, and then some sweets for some dandelion shortbread, some chicken coop dirt cake, and some zucchini chocolate cake, along with many others. And then a special thank you and a gift for you as well.